The Sussex's carefully cultivated image of idyllic domesticity has taken a significant hit after renowned chef Choi publicly mocked Meghan Markle's cooking skills, describing her culinary endeavors as a pure disaster. Choi's scathing critique, delivered with his signature bluntness, has ignited a firestorm of debate, with social media ablaze with opinions ranging from fervent defense of the Duchess to gleeful condemnation. Choi's comments, initially made during a casual conversation with fellow chefs, quickly spread like wildfire, amplified by the insatiable appetite of the entertainment industry for any morsel of royal drama. The chef, known for his innovative and boundary-pushing street food concepts, reportedly expressed his dismay over a recent encounter with a dish prepared by Meghan. "Let's just say it wasn't pretty," Choi confided to his colleagues. "It smelled horrible, and frankly, it tasted like poison." This candid assessment, while undoubtedly harsh, has struck a chord with many who have long suspected that the Duchess's carefully crafted persona as a skilled home cook might be more image than reality. While Meghan has frequently showcased her culinary pursuits on social media, often sharing photos of elaborate meals and boasting about her homemade sauces and preserves, many have questioned the authenticity of these displays. Critics point to the glaring absence of any formal culinary training in Meghan's background. Unlike many members of the British aristocracy, who often receive formal instruction in the culinary arts, Meghan's culinary education appears to be largely self-taught. This lack of formal training, they argue, is evident in her apparent inability to consistently produce palatable dishes. The controversy surrounding Meghan's cooking skills is not merely a frivolous gossip item, it reflects a deeper societal anxiety about authenticity and performance. In an era of carefully curated online personas, where social media feeds are filled with idealized versions of reality, the public is increasingly wary of manufactured narratives. Meghan's carefully constructed image as a skilled home cook, critics argue, is just another example of this trend, a carefully crafted facade designed to project a specific image of domesticity and grace. Choi's blunt assessment, however distasteful it may seem to some, has served as a much-needed reality check. It has forced the public to question the authenticity of the Sussex's carefully crafted image and to examine the gap between their public pronouncements and their private actions. Whether Meghan's culinary skills will ever recover from this public humiliation remains to be seen. However, one thing is certain: the incident has irrevocably tarnished the carefully constructed image of the Duchess as a skilled home cook.